Calvin, during the first 3 games, we challenged to deliver the usual numbers and your usual averages. But this increased in games 4 and 5. Ano sa tingin mo yung naging rason for that type of success latter part of the series?
Siguro sama yung pakiramdam ko kaya naging ganun. Parang itutuloy-tuloy ko na ito hanggang game 7.
May sakit.
Wala na ang boses. Pero yun nga, siguro instinct. I know my capability. Tinatrabaho ko to araw-araw sa training. On and off the court, na kita nila o hindi kita nila. Tinatrabaho ko yung offense ko. And just thankful na may mga backup ako. I have my coaches. I have my teammates na talagang sumusuporta sa akin. Kaya siguro ganun yung mga and then instinct of like myself na gusto ko manalo. And ganun yung nangyari.
Medyo magpapatuloy pa ang aking serye. But looking forward, ano ba yung nakita mong kailangan pagtrabahuhan para patuloy na makukuha ng abate ko sa Ginebra?
I think yun nga yung kuha namin sa this conference na talagang depensa. Hindi yun lang dun. Kung gaano ka din ngayon, dudublehin pa. Yun yung parang maging way namin para makuha yung championship.
Until after game 4, frustrated ka, how did you use this break para mag-refocus ka ito? So, na-address mo ba kay Coach Lord yung mga sentimental mo mula sa practice ng second half?
Yung frustration kasi during game yan eh. Lalo na pag yung gaano ka-intense yung laro eh. I think every players naman have those times na talagang ma-frustrate ka. Pero after that, you can see me smile outside. Mawawala yun. Ang maganda lang kasi doon is we look forward to the next game. Kung ano nangyari during the game, learn from it. Watch the game, kung ano yung mali, ba't ganung may nangyari. And we talk about it nga. We have a team meeting yesterday, so I think that's enough.
I literally asked him, how can I help you? Bakit nga nagkaganon? So, how we can help him? So,